Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Mahjong Pairing. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app on your phone that you can play Mahjong. So if you don't know what Mahjong is, it is basically like poker or any card game, just you played with cubes or dices. So as you can see, different dices mean different things, so it's just like chess, so it is basically a gamble game. So this is what it looks like, so you can play it on your phone. And unlike all those other games, it doesn't have the promise or claims that you can actually pay out, which is very good since it's not predatory and a scam. However, the problem with games like these nowadays that it is filled with ads, since if they can only get money by putting a lot of ads into their game. So as you can see, what the comments are saying is that there are ads every level, and let's see some more reviews here. Although I've enjoyed this game, the ads have been disgusting. Stall, too easy levels, ad. And basically most of the complaints about this game is about the ads. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.